Wake up, you're in my car. Hey. Well, he's not moving.
Did they bring my guitar?
Nice to see you too.
Sorry, I'm not exactly myself this morning.
It isn't our first time at this circus, is it?
I'm sorry. I know I made a mistake.
You OD. You know this stuff. Right. I'll see you when you're discharged.
Yeah.
Pretty good, mate. That's all I've got. It's 3 quid, mate.
Come on, I've barely eaten all day. Thanks, mate. That's great.
Don't come back. Okay. Don't want you here. Go on.
All right. Okay, I'm going.
I have to get him off the street or I'm going to lose him.
I'm not giving a spot to a user.
He's in the programme.
If falls off his methadone, he's out, period.
Val?
Hey, come in.
Hot water. I don't know what to say.
Say you're going to stay in the programme and you won't miss our next meeting.
I promise you. Cross my heart, hope to die.
Okay.
Do this, mate.
You know the rules, you're causing an obstruction.
I'm just trying to make a living here. I'm not in anyone's way.
Then we haven't got enough to do. Dad?
Dad! Hey, Dad! Won't be like last time. My own flat now and everything.
Jack?
You remember Hillary? I'm not contagious, you know.
Take this. Maybe New Year's, okay?
Darling?
Whoever's there, you better leave! That was you making all the noise. There's gonna be a family worried about you. You better go home now. Don't look at me like that, okay? All right, then. One night, okay? Have you been in a fight? Where? Down here? Excuse me? Wait, I have a hurt cat here.
£22.
I thought you said this place was free.
Not the drugs.
That's all I've got. Come on, he's really sick. This is my food money for the next week.
It's up to you.
Val, I'm so sorry I missed our time. Honestly, I tried to get there. There were things, there was this cat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Merry Christmas. What just happened? Look at this. Hey?
All right, how about this? I will cook you dinner. You give me an hour.
Yeah. Oi. Bob, they're for Betty. Thank you, Bob. Listen to the still small voice inside. You don't stop learning. Sing, 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 sing. Bob! Happy New Year.
Mummy says you're a junkie. I didn't cheat, you cheated. Did not you cheated.
She says I'm a junkie.
Stop it, girls, come on.
Where did you get that idea from?
Stop it.
Having a taste.
It's James.
Hey, Hillary. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Dad. Back off! Back off! You've got a cat under here.
CCTV proved it wasn't your fault.
No,
We're
where's
prohibited
Bob?
from busking for 6 months.
What are you doing?
Betty,
I'm just...
You've been banned from busking.
well, Bob's hungry, I'm hungry.
If you get arrested, you're not going to be able to feed Bob.
Even how
He's
much?
not for sale.
Well, look, obviously, this isn't the best environment for an animal living on the street and all that. Yes, all right, darling. Look,
well,
and
we've got
we'd
a
be able
flat,
to
so
give him
don't-
all the
don't worry.
things that you can't, like a decent home. And
He's not for
I'm sure
sale.
you could use the cash. How much do you want?
Well, I don't want your money. How much for your kid? I'll trade you. Yeah, I'll give him a
Excuse
decent
me?
home.
How dare you? Exceptionally rude.
Did you see a cat coming out? Little ginger cat, no? Bob! Oh, mate, where are you? Bob? What if a dog got him, or a car, or... I can't. This dog came out Bob, and I was trying to protect him, and then this whole fight broke out, and then you got arrested. I wasn't doing anything wrong, it wasn't my fault, but now I can't busk, and if I do, then I'll get arrested again, and then I don't know what will even happen to Bob.
And if you do sing, then you'll get arrested, and all you're thinking about is what happens to the cat.
I just want to know where Bob is.
You looking for paradise? Because I can live it. White, brown, whatever you like.
James!
Guys,
James!
hello, wake up.
James! James, come on, wake up. You can't do this. No, man.
I want my cat. I'm looking for a ginger cat. Have you seen it anywhere? Bob! Bob! Hey! Mister! I'm ready.
It's harder coming off methadone than kicking heroin. You can't do it on your own.
Or him.
What are you going to do now?
Well, first thing, I want to try and find a way to thank you.
Me.
My number's on there too. In case you need me. Until we meet again.
What do you... I'm clean, Dad. Last time, I wasn't high in front of you. I was 11. I wanted to apologize for everything. I don't blame you for giving up on me. No, Dad, I don't want your money.
I didn't give up on you. I was ashamed of myself. I didn't know how to be your father. I'm the one who needs to apologize.
No,
Jack, what are you doing out there?
I'm talking to my son.